Hey guys, Marcellus here, coming at you with Duke. Look at that cute little guy. I love how he has his little paws crossed there. Duke scored a 3 on the bull hard test, and just overall well-rounded little guy. Very friendly, interactive, loves exploring. As you'll see, he was having some fun in the flower beds. He's gonna make you a wonderful pet, whether you're a first-time owner or someone who has had Goldens their whole life. This is a fantastic little guy. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Hey, Duke, buddy, what you doing? Yeah, good puppy. Good puppy. Come. Good boy. Oh my goodness. You find some leafies? You find some leafies? Yeah. Where are you going?